Have you heard of Tonbo Park or Dragonfly Park? Tonbo Park is a very huge park located in Kishiwada, Osaka. Tonbo means dragonfly and Iki means pond. Many ponds were actually built around this area which have long been used as agricultural water to support the locals as well as to nurture creatures including dragonflies. And that's why they named this place Tonbo Park. Aside from the ponds surrounding the area, there are also other beautiful and fun things to see and do at the park. There are huge playgrounds with fun slides scattered around the place, lots of picnic areas where you can do barbecue, an open space for you to enjoy a walk with your dog, and even an observatory tower where you can enjoy a very good view of Kishiwada nature such as mountains, trees, flowers, and so on. In addition to that, there are also sports facilities available for playing tennis, soccer, baseball, golf, and other ball games for a minimal fee. Also, if you need something, there's a convenience store nearby. If you think Tonbo Park is the kind of park you're looking for, you know where to go.